I'm bad with money.
What?
When I get it, it goes.
What?
I'm just not good with money. How you describe yourself is how you prescribe your wealth. Change how you speak to yourself. Change it to, from now on, I'm going to start directing where my money goes. Or I haven't worked out how to manage my money yet, but I'm going to work on it. That's empowering, that's liberating to how you think about money and how you can start to get good with money. One way is obtaining consistent income over sporadic income. Consistent income is a building block for self-reliance. Sporadic income can lead to borrowing or dangerous risk-taking, all in the name of, I need money, fast money. Consistent income gives you first-hand knowledge of the value of money because you've worked for it. You see, consistent income is one of the building blocks of getting good with money, because once you've got consistent income, you can build your financial literacy with first-hand experience. You can pay for your financial journey and you can start to create your financial future from this starting point. You see, a job will do that. A recurring service or product would do that. The key here is obtaining consistent income. And once you've got consistent income, the next step is learning how to budget. There are four main things when it comes to budgeting, which is know your income, know your high priority bills, estimate other expenses, and finally, document, revisit, and amend your budget. And the more you do this, the better you get at it. Budgeting is just you being the director, the boss man, the boss lady, the person in charge of your money. You're the person that makes it all happen. Budgeting allows you to pay all your bills and help you out when you end up with those unexpected costs. Budgeting is just an ongoing process that you monitor and you update as time goes on. As time goes on, you get to identify your financial behavior and manage it to your advantage. You see, when you know better, you don't always do better, but you're aware of your tendencies in any given situation. And if you're aware you overspend in certain areas, you can manage that and hopefully manage that out of your behavior. For example, if you spend online, then make it harder for yourself to buy something. That could mean taking your card details off your phone. You see, money and emotions go hand in hand. So being able to monitor it and managing it is something you need to be mindful of. You see, when you're developing your skills of getting good with money, to level up your money skills and benefit from getting good with money, start getting an understanding of the purpose and the benefits of investing money. You see, investing money is just setting aside some of your money for the future and putting it to work for you. There's lots of ways this can be done. That could be buying a property, which over the long term should go up in value. You could put your money in the stock market, the crypto market, particularly Bitcoin or Ethereum. However, you need to thoroughly research a project for yourself. And once you can put your money, or you can put your money in a business. And talking of a business, if you get to know how your local economy works, because that could be an opportunity for you and your community to get paid. Be part of or create a circular economy. What I mean by that is, say in your area there's lots of restaurants, but they can't find employees. You can be the person that finds them staff that lives locally. Think on the lines of what business would complement the businesses in my local area. If you build on that mindset, it will give you an in-depth understanding of value, and the byproduct of value is money. And once you start connecting the dots between value and money, you start to get good with money. You turn yourself into a learning machine. And from there is where you start to train your third eye. Familiarize yourself with your environment and other environments you're not familiar with. What I mean by that is, if you start paying attention to what's going on in the world and how money plays its role within that, that could be a rise in taxes, a new law, a new technology, a breakthrough in medical research. The key here is being able to read between the lines, identify where the money is being created or made already. That way you get a deeper understanding of money and the role it plays in many situations. And most importantly, it will help you get good with money. You see, getting good with money is learning how to manage your money, save your money, invest your money, and protect your money. Managing your money by budgeting, saving your money by budgeting, learning about the concepts of investing, and then learning about the different types of investments that are out there, and protect your money by identifying your financial behavior and managing that on a bigger scale. Start to familiarize yourself with insurances such as life insurances, pensions. To continue your journey of getting good with money, click the link in the description to receive your free Money Translator flashcards. These flashcards you can save on your phone, and whenever you hear or read a financial term that you're not familiar with, you can go into your phone, get an immediate understanding. So click the link in the description below. We get good with money, so we can do good with money. Till the next time.